Congress Center, global minds all arriving side by side. ISC, HPC, the place to be. HPC, AI and quantum, connecting the dots, you see. Tutorials on Monday, then the full week starts to roll. Exhibition conference, 3 days with one shared goal. 3,500 people, 200 exhibitors deep. From startups to the big names, this is where the leaders meet. ISC, HPC, Hamburg's on the line. ISC, HPC, where the future gets defined. Exascale, quantum cloud, all under one roof. ISC, HPC, and that's the proof.